I started with Vogue when I was 13, 5'9" and 99.
Secrets of Timeless Beauty. Carmen Dell'Orifice's journey to ageless grace and longevity. Unlocking the secret to ageless beauty. Imagine a life that defies the boundaries of age. At 91, Carmen Dell'Orifice is not just living, she is thriving. Carmen Dell'Orifice, born June 3, 1931, in New York City, is an iconic American model and actress, celebrated as the world's oldest working model as of 2012. Discovered at 13, she signed with Vogue. At 15, appearing on its cover and becoming a muse for renowned artists like Salvador Dali. Despite financial struggles early in her career, Carmen's resilience and talent propelled her to become a fashion industry legend. After retiring, she returned to modeling in 1978, gracing campaigns for brands like Rolex and H&M, and walking runways for top designers. In 2011, she received an honorary doctorate for her contributions to fashion. Her legacy as the world's oldest supermodel is a testament to timeless beauty, resilience, and adaptability. But what truly makes Carmen's story remarkable are her actionable secrets to health, vitality, and longevity. In this video, we're diving deep into Carmen's life, blending her insights with evidence-based tips from modern science, traditional Chinese medicine, TCM, and Ayurveda. Whether you're in your 30s or your 60s, these strategies will inspire and empower you to age gracefully while maintaining optimal health. Stay tuned as we unpack her transformative skincare practices, dietary wisdom, exercise routines, stress management techniques, and a fresh perspective on intimacy. Let's begin this journey to ageless living. 1. Reimagine skincare practices. Carmen Dell'Orifice's mantra for skin: moisturize, protect, and let your skin breathe. While her routine of daily moisturizing and sunscreen forms the backbone of her regimen, there's much more to achieving radiant skin. Modern science, the power of antioxidants. Antioxidants like vitamin C and E serums combat free radicals, unstable molecules generated by UV radiation, pollution, and cellular metabolism, which accelerate aging by damaging skin cells and collagen. Vitamin C is especially effective as it supports collagen synthesis, reduces hyperpigmentation, and neutralizes oxidative stress. A 2017 study in dermatologic surgery demonstrated its role in improving skin texture and elasticity by promoting the repair of damaged skin tissue. How to incorporate: apply a vitamin C serum each morning before sunscreen. Use retinoids at night to encourage skin cell turnover. In today's digital age, prolonged exposure to screens emits blue light, a high-energy visible HEV light that penetrates deeper into the skin compared to UV rays. This light triggers oxidative stress by generating free radicals, which damage skin cells, proteins, and lipids, accelerating aging signs such as wrinkles, hyperpigmentation, and loss of elasticity. This ensures your skin remains youthful and resilient against modern environmental stressors. Skincare products with blue light filters contain antioxidants and protective compounds such as lutein and niacinamide, which neutralize these effects and strengthen the skin's natural barrier to prevent damage. Ayurveda meets skincare. Ayurvedic herbs like sandalwood and turmeric are renowned for their profound anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric, rich in curcumin, operates by targeting and inhibiting pro-inflammatory enzymes like COX-2 and reducing oxidative stress at the cellular level. This dual action minimizes redness, soothes irritation, and promotes an even skin tone by preventing damage to collagen and elastin fibers. Sandalwood, on the other hand, contains active compounds such as santalol, which exhibit antibacterial and anti-inflammatory effects. These compounds work by reducing inflammatory cytokines in the skin, enhancing skin cell turnover, and restoring its natural barrier. When used together, these ingredients synergistically foster a brighter, smoother complexion, addressing both surface-level and deeper inflammatory issues. For optimal results, combining these herbs in DIY masks or serums can amplify their natural benefits. DIY tip: mix sandalwood powder with rose water for a soothing face mask. Traditional Chinese medicine's gua sha. Gua sha, a jade or rose quartz facial tool, works by gently scraping the skin's surface to stimulate lymphatic drainage and blood circulation. This process helps flush out toxins and deliver oxygen-rich blood to the skin cells, which promotes cellular repair and rejuvenation. According to a 2019 study in Journal of Traditional Chinese Medicine, Gua sha enhances microcirculation by up to 400%, meaning it significantly improves the flow of fluids within the tiny blood vessels. This increased circulation not only reduces puffiness and inflammation, but also boosts collagen production, giving the skin a firmer, more radiant appearance. The practice also encourages relaxation by stimulating acupressure points, further supporting overall skin and body health. Number 2. Food as medicine. Carmen advocates for a simple yet satisfying diet, emphasizing hydration and probiotic-rich foods. But what can modern science, TCM, and Ayurveda teach us about the ultimate anti-aging diet? Superfoods backed by science. 1. Blueberries. Packed with anthocyanins, these berries reduce oxidative stress and improve brain health, according to research in the journals of gerontology. 2. Salmon. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, salmon combats inflammation and promotes skin elasticity. 3. Walnuts. Contain polyphenols and healthy fats that slow cellular aging. Ayurvedic wisdom. Dosha-specific diets. Ayurveda emphasizes eating according to your dosha, body constitution, as it aligns diet with individual energy patterns to maintain balance and vitality. Each dosha, vata, pitta, and kapha, influences how the body ages, responds to food, and sustains energy levels. For anti-aging, vata types, characterized by dryness, lightness, and movement, their aging process is often marked by dryness of skin and joints. To counteract this, warm, moist, and nourishing foods like ghee, cooked root vegetables, and soups are recommended. These foods help to ground and hydrate the body, replenishing depleted tissues. Pitta types, associated with heat and transformation. Their aging often involves inflammation and sensitivity. Cooling and hydrating foods like cucumber, coconut water, and leafy greens reduce internal heat and protect the body from oxidative damage, slowing the aging process. Kapha types, marked by heaviness and stability. Aging in kapha types can manifest as sluggishness and weight gain. Light, spicy, and warming foods like ginger, turmeric, and lentils stimulate metabolism and cleanse the body of excess moisture and toxins, maintaining vitality. By aligning your diet with your dosha, Ayurveda provides a tailored approach to enhance longevity and prevent imbalances that accelerate aging. TCM perspective on longevity foods. Foods like goji berries and Chinese yam are staples in TCM for their potent ability to nourish yin energy and enhance overall vitality. Goji berries, known as red diamonds, are packed with beta-carotene, zeaxanthin, and polysaccharides. Beta-carotene is a precursor to vitamin A, essential for maintaining healthy vision by protecting the retina from oxidative stress. Zeaxanthin, on the other hand, acts as a natural shield for the eyes, absorbing harmful blue light and reducing the risk of macular degeneration. These compounds also promote skin elasticity by supporting collagen production and hydrating skin cells. Chinese yam, rich in dioshanin, a phytoestrogen, aids in balancing hormonal levels and replenishing energy reserves. Together, these foods not only rejuvenate the skin and eyes, but also support overall vitality by boosting immune function and maintaining the body's yin-yang balance. Incorporating them into daily meals, such as in congee or teas, provides a holistic approach to health and longevity. Morning routine. Start your day with warm lemon water, followed by a nourishing bowl of congee, rice porridge, enriched with goji berries and ginger. If you enjoyed the insights shared in this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button, share your thoughts in the comments below, and help spread these valuable tips by sharing the video. Reinventing exercise for longevity. Carmen's gentle routine. Walking, stretching, and mindful movement form the pillars of Carmen's fitness regimen. However, research suggests that incorporating strength training and yoga can further enhance longevity. Modern science on exercise and aging. 1. Strength training. Strength training is one of the most effective methods to counteract age-related physical decline. Resistance exercises stimulate muscle protein synthesis by creating micro-tears in muscle fibers, which then repair and grow stronger during recovery. According to a 2018 study in Aging Cell, this process not only increases muscle mass, but also improves bone density by applying mechanical stress to bones, encouraging the formation of new bone tissue. Additionally, resistance exercises boost resting metabolism by increasing lean body mass, which burns more calories at rest. These benefits collectively enhance mobility, reduce the risk of falls, and support overall metabolic health, making strength training an essential component of healthy aging. 2. Yoga. Yoga works by engaging the body and mind simultaneously, promoting a state of relaxation and physical well-being. According to a 2021 meta-analysis in Frontiers in Psychology, yoga helps reduce cortisol levels, a primary stress hormone, by activating the parasympathetic nervous system, which counters the body's stress response. Additionally, the physical postures in yoga improve flexibility by lengthening muscle fibers and enhancing joint mobility, while balance exercises stimulate proprioception, the body's awareness of its position in space, reducing the risk of falls and injuries, especially in older adults. By integrating breath control and mindfulness, yoga also enhances mental clarity and emotional resilience. Ayurvedic practices. Yoga postures like Tadasana, mountain pose, and Vrikshasana, tree pose, improve joint health and stability by strengthening the muscles around the joints and enhancing their flexibility. Tadasana, a foundational standing pose, encourages proper alignment of the spine, hips, and knees, which reduces strain on these joints and improves posture. Vrikshasana challenges balance and engages stabilizing muscles in the legs and core, enhancing proprioception, body awareness, and joint integrity. These poses also stimulate the production of synovial fluid, a lubricant that helps maintain smooth joint movement, making them particularly beneficial for aging bodies that often experience joint stiffness or arthritis. Combines gentle, flowing movements, controlled breathing, and focused meditation to enhance the flow of qi, or life energy, throughout the body. This practice works by stimulating the meridians, channels through which qi flows, to improve energy balance and eliminate blockages that can cause physical or emotional discomfort. According to a study published in Evidence-Based Complementary and Alternative Medicine, Qigong has been shown to significantly reduce inflammation by regulating the immune system and decreasing levels of pro-inflammatory cytokines. Additionally, it boosts energy levels by enhancing oxygen intake during deep rhythmic breathing, which improves cellular respiration and energizes the body. The meditative aspect of Qigong calms the nervous system, reducing stress and promoting a sense of well-being. This holistic approach makes Qigong a powerful tool for improving physical vitality and mental clarity. Pro tip: combine walking with Qigong breathing techniques for a meditative workout. 4. The art of stress management. Carmen's mind-body connection. Carmen emphasizes mindfulness and adaptability in managing stress. But how can we expand on this? Modern science. Journaling and gratitude. Writing down your thoughts for 5 minutes daily has a profound effect on mental and emotional health. This practice works by activating the brain's prefrontal cortex, which helps regulate emotions and reduce activity in the amygdala, the brain's stress center. By externalizing your thoughts, journaling provides clarity and reduces the mental clutter that often triggers anxiety. A 2020 study in psychosomatic medicine showed that expressive writing decreases cortisol levels, the primary stress hormone, leading to improved emotional resilience and greater adaptability to stressors. This simple yet powerful habit promotes a calmer, more focused mind while fostering a positive outlook on life. Ayurvedic breathing, pranayama, practices like nadi shodhana, alternate nostril breathing, work by directly influencing the autonomic nervous system, promoting balance between the sympathetic, fight or flight, and parasympathetic, rest and digest responses. By alternating breaths through each nostril, this technique stimulates the nadis, energy channels in the body as described in Ayurveda, while improving oxygen flow to the brain. Scientifically, nadi shodhana has been shown to enhance focus and mental clarity by increasing oxygen saturation and calming overactive neural pathways. It also reduces cortisol levels, helping to alleviate stress, and improves overall cognitive function by supporting a steady, rhythmic breathing pattern. TCM's acupressure stimulating points like Yin-Yang, located between the eyebrows, and Tai Chong, found on the top of the foot between the first and second toes, works by influencing the body's energy meridians as outlined in traditional Chinese medicine, TCM. Yin-Yang, also known as the third eye point, calms the mind by regulating the hypothalamus, which controls stress responses. It helps reduce anxiety, improve sleep, and alleviate headaches. Tai Chong, a critical point in the liver meridian, aids in releasing pent-up tension and promoting the smooth flow of qi, life energy. Activating this point can lower blood pressure, reduce emotional stress, and enhance overall relaxation by harmonizing the body's internal energy flow. Together, these points create a holistic approach to stress relief and relaxation. If you found the analysis in this video insightful, subscribe to our channel, leave a comment, and share this valuable content. Intimacy and connection. Carmen's evolving perspective. For Carmen, intimacy is about authentic connections. Research aligns with her philosophy, showing that oxytocin, released during close interactions, reduces stress and enhances well-being. Science meets Ayurveda and TCM. Ayurveda focuses on nurturing love and fostering emotional intimacy through rituals like shared abhyanga, oil massage. This ancient practice involves the rhythmic application of warm herbal oils to the body, enhancing physical connection and emotional bonding. The oils, infused with Ayurvedic herbs like ashwagandha and brahmi, penetrate the skin to nourish tissues, reduce stress, and balance dosha's body energies. The act of giving and receiving massage stimulates the release of oxytocin, the love hormone, promoting feelings of trust, relaxation, and connection. Additionally, abhyanga helps to detoxify the body by improving lymphatic drainage and circulation, making it a holistic ritual for physical and emotional well-being. TCM, traditional Chinese medicine, TCM, emphasizes the balance of yin and yang energies as the cornerstone for harmonious relationships. Yin represents the cooling, nurturing, and receptive qualities, while yang embodies warmth, activity, and assertiveness. When these energies are in equilibrium, they create emotional stability, mutual understanding, and physical vitality within relationships. Practices like acupuncture, herbal therapies, and dietary adjustments are used to support this balance. For example, herbs like ginseng and goji berries are known to strengthen yang energy, while chrysanthemum tea and licorice root help nourish yin energy. This dynamic interplay fosters not only individual well-being, but also deeper connections and intimacy in relationships. 6. New additions, practical steps for ageless living. 1. Continuous learning. Keep your mind sharp by taking up new hobbies like painting or learning a language. 2. Digital detox. Explore nature to rejuvenate and disconnect from screens. 3. Community building. Longevity correlates with meaningful relationships. Volunteer or join local groups to foster connections. Your blueprint for graceful aging. Carmen's story is an ode to individuality and resilience. Her practices, combined with insights from modern science, TCM, and Ayurveda, offer a comprehensive blueprint for living well at any age. Start small, drink more water, move daily, and cherish your relationships. Together, these steps create a pathway not just to longevity, but to thriving. Make sure to subscribe for more transformative insights on health and vitality. Don't just age, thrive. Subscribe to explore more valuable videos about natural, healthy living.